Jesus Christ, are you okay? Oh my god, your Wi-Fi. Ooh. Is she okay, dude? What is happening to this person? I can't even tell if, like... Oh. Jesus Christ, she's teleporting. Dude, man's internet is just off the chains. I might as well just leave her. There's no point in sticking with her. I know, her internet's worse than mine. That's impressive. I can't down a nurse, dude. It's impossible. How hard it is to down a nurse. It's literally my internet. I have no idea what she was doing. I mean, like, what was going on, but she's not